Welcome back to my channel. I am Zia and oh no, my eyes are hurting too much. Now I will tell you the backstory of this. We have so many online classes till 12, till 1. Everybody's time is different. Then we have our more important thing to do, like watch TV the whole day, play games, play computer games, roll through Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, everything. So your parents will say, don't watch this too much, reduce your time for television. But no, we don't want to do. They say, you need to do because the blue rays will hurt your eyes. So, to a solution to that problem, I have ordered something from Lenskart, which are the glasses of blue rays. So you all can also be smart and order something, order blue rays glasses. So yeah, let's get started with the video to unbox and review them. I'm very excited to do this. So let's start. Here I have my mini scissors. I've cut this bag from here. Okay, this can go aside. And here is our box. It says, okay, I don't want to use that. I'm more interested in my glasses. So I will just open the box. But before that, I will show you how the box looks from all the sides. So okay, now there is a paper inside this from Lenskart. What is this? Okay, I don't want, it's the bill, so I'm more interested in glasses, you know. So let's open the box. Oh, it's a little bit tight to open. Yeah. Okay, so the box is, yeah, this box is there. I must say, see, this box is pretty hard, so I'm pretty sure that my specs won't be damaged. So here are some instructions. I am not interested in those. And here is some coupons for some other company, so not for me. So here is the upper area. The Lenskart branding is here. So over here again, lenskart.com. It looks like I am advertising Lenskart. Haha. Yeah, so let's open the treasure. Oh, my specs. Okay, I'll keep that aside and first take a look on the cloth. But before that, oh, there's a cute saying. Please give me 10 days to adjust to your eyes. So this is probably for the people who have ordered with number, but mine is 0 sized, so it's not quite for me. So we look good together, huh? That's a good thing. Okay, this box is also pretty hard. The texture is also good, although I would like the box to be in pink color. So, but it's fine, you know. I'm still okay with this. This box is actually pretty good. Okay, moving on to the cloth. Okay, here again the Lenskart branding is there. The cloth is pretty thin and soft, and the color is also metallic. I am liking that color also. So, okay, now let's move on to the main treasure of the video. Woohoo! I like these. Okay, so first the frame. The frame is of dark pink plus maroon type color, and this over here there is a yellow and there is a white rabbit inside, as you can see. And then here is a pink pink lenses, and then over here it is written Kidzania. Kidzania, it is actually place to play, but it's fine. So this packaging also means these the glass in general looks neat and sturdy. There is a super extra flexi one, and it is actually super light. I can't actually feel the weight. This was my first experience with Lenskart, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not disappointed at all. How am I looking? For me, I'm looking pretty good, and I think I'll need those 10 days to figure out how am I looking, since I'm not used to see myself in glasses. And y'all are always free to comment down below, am I looking good? And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Until then, bye!